Polycraft. I talk all the time about Polycraft, we sell heaps. This one in the detailing bay is going into a hire fleet. It's a 5.3 Warrior. Great big runabout. Now, to go into the hire fleet, they've got to be built to commercial survey. So if you're looking to start a business or something, it's all foam filled and there's a lot of other things. It's got like a 130 litre fuel tank in it. It's got a 115 hydraulic steering. It is a big beamy boat. You know, I've done lots of the centre consoles of 530 and they ride fantastic, you know. About, I don't know, 6 years ago they changed Polycraft and now they're a serious weapon. Big volume boat, strong, poly moulded. You know, I've still got that thing. Send me a photo of one sun damaged, cracked, I'll give you $1,000. I've had this out for now 3 years. I haven't paid $1,000 yet. You know, these things are rock. You know what happens? If you leave it out in the sun up north, say, up at Catherine or something, might go white, you get a heat gun, boom, looks brand new. Unbelievable. Now let's have a look at the back, Dan, because it's in there. I've just kicked out Rosie, the detailer. You know, she hates it when I do that, so don't worry, it's not about being clean. I just wanted to show you the volume of these things, because they are a massive boat. Have a look at the volume at the front. Like, it's high-sided, you'd have no worries in big seas, just locking yourself in there, casting, jigging, donging. You could fit in here, sit in up in the front here. This really is, it's a runabout. This is a bow rider, you know, and have a look under there. It's flipping massive. You get a lot in that storage. And every one of those little storage bunks is all plumbed out. It all runs back. You can see all those, show them all those pipes down there. Look at that. That's quality because it's all foam filled underneath. You know, solid. So unsinkable, unsinkable. That's what this is. Now, you know, I reckon if you're down in Victoria, geez, I'd sell a lot of these. Everyone would be out there catching snapper. And then 7 people. Show the plate. 7 people, 530, 7 people, bow rider, you know, or crabber. Imagine the crabbers up here, how many crabs you could have there. I once met a man and he introduced himself as he said he developed the South Australian illegal sand crab industry. He's very proud of it. I think he went to jail for a bit, but he was still proud of it and he was a hell of a crabber. Now, got the Yamaha gauges, tell you fuel flow, the whole works, 703 control box. This is a boat that you could hit with a gurney. Look at these little cutouts, fire extinguisher in one, EPAB in the other. It's just easy. Couple of great big glove boxes in here. You can put anything in there. You can bloody fill them with ice and put a couple of bottles of Chardonnay in there. You know, the floor's all solid. Big rear seat. A lot of room back here. If you're looking for a big volume, non-complicated, good riding boat, I think you could do yourself a favour. Call Polly Pete, Peter Evans, 3888 1727, because he knows everything about Polycraft. And I tell you, they're a very popular boat. You'll catch more fish, you'll have a lot of fun, and you can knock it around. I'll see you on the water in a Polycraft, I hope.